one. You can.
Guys, what an amazing project that was, Women Unite project. We have been through in these few days a lot of chaos that is happening, a lot of intense, a lot of madness, and also love and positivity. But
we'll let you guys watch it for yourself.
Guys, so what is happening? We are going to open the door for our models, for our volunteers, to let them sit, to let them dance, to, you know, to feel the vibe. Before the meet and meet, yeah? Woo! Meet and greet! Meet and greet!
So welcome everybody. It's great to see everybody. I predict that the coming week is going to be mayhem.
10 pictures. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Chaos.
There was a bit of a confusion.
Stressful.
We have small hiccups along the way.
Emotional.
Okay, one of the busiest days of my life, honestly to God.
Chaos, chaos, chaos.
I think so. Like, I think it will happen. I mean, it happened during my 9-hour shoot. So I think that 9 hour times by 1 week will be very funny. I think my brother, those of you who have not met Hero, is going to be doing the photography. Better him than me. And we were calculating, he needs to average 1 photo per 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
He needs to average 1 photo per 30 seconds to be able to get through the 1,998 photos. And I don't have anything else to say. I think that's it. It's a blessing to have you all here. It's wonderful to see everybody in real. You are actually human beings. Can you believe it? So that's nice to see. I think I'm going to hand it over to the girls. They know what to do with you.
So the models and the volunteers all arrived for the meet and greet around 8 p.m. After the meet and greet, we took all the models downstairs, we showed them the studio, showed them around. Hero was still setting up the area and we had to show them how to pose, show them what's the shoot about. Like, we had so much to do. We laid out all the clothes and it didn't even match the theme that we wanted to portray. We had to scrap a lot of it. Next day we had to buy a lot more. So it was the beginning of a sleepless night.
Good morning, everybody. Day number 1. As you can guys see behind me is the beautiful area of our ladies, models, chatting, snacking, and just getting ready for the big photo shoot. But on the other side, come with me. We've got makeup preparation. Our models, they're beautiful naturally, as we know, women of the world, but they are getting ready to look more glamorous for the photo shoot.
We went for a really natural look, so that they still feel like themselves, but we just embraced their natural beauty.
Speaking about that, we should give some tips to all the models how to make their makeup stay long as much as possible, so just few tricks here and there.
You made my makeup, so I'm just trying to present.
Oh, this is a very natural, no makeup look, No makeup, but makeup look.
There you go.
Getting ready, Hero?
Yes.
How's it
I'm
going?
getting ready. Good. A little anxious, honestly. We're gonna be doing lots and lots of shots, so a little anxious. But just configuring the final settings on the camera before we start. But I'm sure everything's gonna be okay.
What's going on?
We're organising all the tickets at the moment, getting everybody in the right order, sorting it out by the model, just so that it's so super organised and everything just runs smooth today. It's going good.
So right now, in my horrible handwriting, we're just marking all the backdrops so we can lay it out in follow order. So it's easy and it saves time, because time is
of the essence.
Of the essence.
Of the essence. Yeah.
Spray paint.
We have a lot of backgrounds. we have a lot of backgrounds and they weigh a lot because they're vinyl. And so they're all stacked on top of each other. We need to find a way to order them correctly without creasing them, without damaging them, and as efficiently and neatly and orderly as possible, basically. That's it.
Okay, we're almost ready to start the shoot. We're just rolling and rolling the backdrops to make them in follow order. It's all about time efficiency today, and ready to get started.
So what we're doing now is we're doing nationality shoots. So this is actually the first shoot. I'm the first person. Very excited, a little bit nervous, but I think it's going to look very, very beautiful. I've seen everyone upstairs and everyone looks just so amazing and different. So yeah, let's begin.
How many done? 10. How many to go?
Plenty.
Next! Are you ready? Because your turn is now. Next!
So you need to realize that like each photo will have to look like very, very different, like different background, and then different outfit, different accessories, different hair, different makeup, different lipstick.
Oh my god, I just couldn't believe what's happening.
Before we started, we thought, okay, we have a plan, we know what we're doing, some way we're gonna make it. But then the first day came and was like, oh my god, like so much to do. We don't even know where to start. Like you can't even imagine how much work it is.
Let me tell you this, on that moment we realized that we are into some deep waters here.
Have small hiccups along the way. We actually need a tag because he has all the knowledge in his brain. So finally we're able to start moving forward. So right now what's happening is we are actually getting all the tickets ready for the models. So we are dividing among all 8 models, and then we need to organize them by number, and then we can start shooting.
This is what happens when you need to do 2,000 photos with many different combinations.
With women also. I think it's important to highlight that.
So guys, you all can see that there's so much happening here in headquarters today. It's all about the NFT shoot that we are doing, and you all must be wondering that NFT shoot is what? It's just like digital arts, buying and selling, like trading it. But no, we are here creating human NFTs, and that is taking so much of efforts. It looks very nice and fancy and easy when the pictures are uploaded on social media and we get all the love. But trust me, it takes so much. Even one picture takes so many hours and so much of effort. And I am so proud to be a part of this community, because each and every member over here, be it models, be it volunteers, be it team, be it everyone, the person who is behind the camera, is working day and night just to make this project a super duper hit. Because the thought process behind this project, as you all know, is so beautiful, and I think that is giving us all the power, all the motivation. But yeah, all I want to say is that I'm so proud of everyone. Every model over here, they're not so used to working like, you know, such crazy hours, but they all are pulling through, and they all are just sailing through so beautifully. So gratitude, a lot of gratitude to be here in this space and to learn so much.
Oh my gosh, guys, you would never imagine like what actually happened. And then I thought that, no way.
It's good. Intense, very intense. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, I don't know how many times we've been up these stairs.